Hey guys, Willie and Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. In today's episode, I am no longer working on Miss Minnie's rear subframe. I'm actually changing my strategy up slightly to try and get everything done. Today, I'll be working on stripping down and rebuilding these front hubs for Gareth over at That Green Mini. I've been sat on these since Bingley, and it's time now to pull my finger out and get stuff done. So let's get stuck in. Okay, so these are a front hub from an 80s Mini. They're an 8.4 disc setup, and they've probably seen better days. I did start cleaning these up because they were completely caked in CV grease. This is the one I haven't cleaned up, so it's got dried on grease. All inside here is just caked in grease as well. So I'm going to try and do one side at a time. Once they're cleaned up, I'm going to remove the bearings, the ball joints, and just make sure this is all stripped down, and then I'm going to paint it in a nice gloss black. Once it's dried, I'm going to have new wheel bearings and have new ball joints, and we're going to get the new disc caliper and all the braid hose and stuff set up on it. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to get cleaning. Right, okay, so that is the hub now stripped down of the bearings, the ball joints and the steering arm, and also the paint's been stripped off as well, so that's now ready pretty much to prep, ready for paint. I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to do it off camera because you don't need to see me doing both sides of the same things, but I'm pretty happy with that. I'm a little bit concerned about the ball joints because actually both of them were extremely loose, so that is a bit of a concern, obviously, when they've been done previously. But yeah, they're all pretty much ready to be painted up and ready to go. So I'm going to leave this episode here. If you have enjoyed the content, as always, please hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't already, then please consider subscribing to the channel. It really, really means a lot to me, and be really greatly appreciated. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time, and we'll get some paint on these hubs. See you later.